Welcome to the third episode of RugbyKE, and for the very second time, we're back at the iconic RFA ground. I'm Elgon Cup, your host, and currently ongoing behind me is the Queens vs KCB game, curtain raising the Elgon Cup 2024. First off, let's take you to the just concluded Floodies tournament 2024. What a tournament it was! Menengai Oilers won the tournament for the very first time, dethroning previous champions KCB. Let's see all the highlights from match 1. Successful tournament, we talked with some fans, players and officials, and this is what they have to say about the experiences at the Floodies 2024.
Hi, my name is Faith Nyambura. I was here last year. That was the first Floodies I ever attended. I loved the vibe and watching the teams play, considering it's at night and there's no sun. This year I'm supporting KCB. Team yenye naona ikishinda bado ni KCB.
James Mugo, KCB chair of KCB Rugby Football Club. Very excited to be at the Floodlights, Impala Floodlights. It's been a while since I've been here. I used to play in this very, very awesome field. Big shout out to the fans out there. KCB, KCBA, KCBR.
Hi, this is Glorious. So welcome to Floodies. This is my first time coming here. So we're expecting a good time. A lot of good times, friends, families, good food too. A lot of laughter, and we're so glad to be here.
I'm Faith Angela, and I love to be here. I'm Team Leo, forever Team Leo.
My name is Kenya and Uganda, aka Gadu Boy. Nachezea Black Blood, position 10-15. First of all, we didn't see this coming, us playing against KCB. So we knew it was going ingekuwa normal, but yeah, to make grind, man. Our pre-season was okay, it was nice. And the moment we landed playing with KCB, man, hats out, maze. Yani, hati ya wani uze. Asanteni sana for supporting Black Blood. I mean, we've been underdogs for a long time. And man, that has changed. You know, rugby has changed. You know, rugby is evolving. It's our time now. I feel like as Black Blood, we are in our prime, most of us. And yeah, hoping for the best. And our fans know Alombo Tov.
Naitwa Oscar Chanda, mimi ni supporter mkubwa wa KCB. Nimefurahia leo kwa Floodies. So far this year nimefurahia crowd. Watu wametokelezea wengi kushinda last year. I'm a little bit disappointed that my team I make it to the main cup final, but that is sport. The game was really close. So kitu naweza taka kuambia ulisheni Braska ni kuwanyorosha this season, I mean. Na tucheki wanasema tuko down, lakini wajue sisi ni Simba. Simba kinyeshewa usidhani ni paka.
I'm Ibrahim Ayodi, Nigeria captain. I think Impala Floodlights have been a tournament over pre-season, and it came as we helped a lot of players. We came in with a lot of new players, new system, new strategy, and all of them want to our support. So I think we are ready for the Kenya Cup season, as we should. And I think starting with the cup, I hope and we wish that we will end with the cup.
Very excited to win our first 15th major tournament. Very proud of the boys by the way we did it. Very amazing 3 weekends. But again, it's still pre-season. We'll use this as a platform to prepare for Kenya Cup. But again, I think that shows us that we are at a different level. So I'll use this to prepare the team to make them better and make sure that we are well placed for Kenya Cup.
Hi guys, James Mugo, Chairman KCB Rugby, and you're watching RugbyKE.
You're watching RugbyKE.
Just one more finally here. The RFA Grounds is hosting the annual Elgon Cup for the very first time since 2018. We got to talk to the Kenya Simbas coach and captain, and this is what they had to say about their preparations and the state of Kenyan rugby at the moment.
Head coach Kenya Simbas. It's always good to play against Uganda because they always give us good opposition. It's big rivalries, and the last time we played was 2018. Looking forward to host Uganda and to play Uganda here. I think the boys are ready. In terms of preparation, we'd always like to have more time to prep, but we understand and we have to give the guys a little bit of a break. But I think we'll be ready tomorrow and put up a good game, and hopefully a lot of fans will come out and watch the game and see what the Simbas can do, because we actually want to make the crowd smile and make them proud, because it's been a very long time since we played in Gong Road. We've always played away, so we're looking forward for a game here tomorrow.
This is Elgon Cup, the Simbas captain. Before the team was called, we were training in our respective club. Then we had a camp in Kakamega for the last 1 week before we came to Nairobi on Wednesday. So I believe, despite the short time, but we've really prepared well in terms of the place and everything. I believe with the little time that we got, we did almost everything that we wanted to do going toward this game. And I believe the boys are ready tomorrow because we've been putting work for the last 2 weeks. The guys are from conditioning now to pitch, running and plays and everything. So we have a plan. The plan that we'll use tomorrow in this game, which we've been training back the last 2 weeks.
Hi, this is Elgon Sifuna, Vice Captain Kenya Simbas, position hooker. Personally, I feel the team is ready, and a derby is also a good match for us to bring that physicality and the game mode back to the bodies. The Elgon Cup and especially the Rugby Africa Cup, of course it didn't go the way we wanted. We wanted to reach the final, but tough loss against Algeria in the semis. But I think that's something that as a team we have been looking at, and the mistake that we made in the previous game. I think we start with the derby, we work on our mistakes, and we build on the momentum until the next qualifier.
Hi, this is Elgon, Kenya Simbas captain. You're watching RugbyKE.
After a spectacular showdown between the Cranes and Simbas, Kenya has emerged victorious in a thrilling 27-25 first leg at the RFA Grounds. And that has been it for episode 3 of RugbyKE. Be sure to subscribe. As we are 1,000 subscribers, we stand a chance to win a Shujaa replica. I've been your host, Elgon Cup. Tupatane Kenya Cup.